Welcome to the AIRISE SME Experiment Series. In this video, we'll explore how the Hungarian company Simon Trans Kft. Partnered with AIRISE in the ORIMP experiment to tackle the challenge of improving its quality checking process.
So, welcome to the interview on the AIRISE experiment with Simon Trans. This evaluation meeting with the company's representative would be one of the final activities of the experiment, aimed at gaining a better understanding of the experiment they have been involved in over the last period, how it has been carried out, and what they have learned from it. We would like to start with our first question, that is the following. Could you start by giving a brief overview of your company, including its core operations and the sector in which you operate?
Since 2001, Simon Trans has focused on optimizing supply chain, using new technology each year to meet modern standards. With a team of almost 130 skilled people, we make sure each part of the logistic process is done right and meets customer needs. Because of this, Simon Trans has grown quickly, now with nearly 10,000 square meters of space and fleet of certified trucks. Simon Trans offers logistics services and uses new technology to help partners stay competitive. Our somewhat high logistics center has special equipments like indoor cranes, just-in-time solution, and AI-based quality check. We also handle transport for pharmaceutical and automotive companies in Hungary and also internationally.
Thank you for the brief overview of the company. Could you tell us more about what specific challenges or pain points led you to explore AI solutions, and how did AIRISE come into the picture as a potential partner?
Our company, Simon Trans, has had problems with quality control of car parts, especially rust on cast iron parts during overseas shipping due to the poor packaging materials. This rust compromises part usability, so they must be checked and sorted before the production, or it could cause delays and extra costs. Our current manual checking is slow, labor-intensive, and prone to human error. AIRISE suggested a solution with its image recognition, AI, which could automate defect detection, reduce errors, and significantly improve inspection efficiency.
Could you describe the main product or solution AIRISE helped you implement, and what was the intended business outcome?
So, the pre-production quality check sorting with AI solution and reworking of the sorted pieces will reduce the waste, the used energy, and also the partner's carbon footprint during the following processes. We increase the efficiency of the production line with the quality check. There aren't any unusable raw material at the production line, so the production line can run continuously, no waste of energy. The unusable product became usable after the rework, no waste of raw material. Scrap products do not need to be returned to the supplier, so no waste of the fuel because the transportation back. The intended business result to increase the efficiency of quality sorting and retain a partner. The goal, our goal is to improve sorting efficiency and keep our partners satisfied. AIRISE helped us set up an AI system with a high-resolution camera to automatically check parts for rust before the production. This system sorts part or rework or production based on rust levels. Our main goal was to make inspection faster and more accurate, improving production, reduce waste, and lower our operational costs while supporting sustainability efforts by decreasing the carbon footprint of rejected products.
Thank you for the answer. At the start of the project, what were your initial expectations from integrating AI into your processes or services?
We expected to make quality control more accurate and consistent. We wanted to reduce our human mistakes in defect detection, so inspections would be faster and production wouldn't stop because of faulty parts. We also thought AI would record each inspection, creating a digital record to help us follow the rules and improve future planning and processes.
Could you tell us more about what have been the most significant benefits your company has experienced from the use of AI, both in terms of efficiency and overall business value?
AI has greatly improved our pre-production quality control by automating rust inspection on cast iron parts. AI has brought more speed and accuracy than manual checks could achieve. This has cut down on mistakes, saved labor costs, and made inspection easier for our team. As a result, we waste fewer parts and lower our costs, while production is more efficient since only approved parts go into production. This system has also helped reduce our carbon footprint, giving us an edge in the market that values eco-friendly practices.
Can you share any specific examples of how AI has enhanced your operations, decision-making, or customer service?
So before our inspection depended mostly on manual checks by workers, which took time and sometimes missed subtle rust marks. Now with AI and automated image recognition, we can spot and classify rust accurately every time. This automation has greatly improved our sorting accuracy, helping us avoid delays from faulty parts in production. One of our main Chinese partners gave positive feedback, impressed by the accuracy and the record keeping of our AI inspection process. They like that rust data is now digital and meets automotive industry standards, which has strengthened our partnership and stopped past quality issues. This improvement has reduced client concerns, increased the satisfaction, and boosted our reputation as a reliable supplier.
Thank you. It's really great to hear positive feedback from your partners and customers. We would like to hear about what were some of the anticipated challenges you expected during the AI implementation, and were there any foreseen obstacles that arose during the project?
We expected technical challenges in setting up the AI with the cameras, getting clear images, and training the AI to reliably find defects. One unexpected issue was the variation in rust patterns, which meant extra adjustment and retraining were needed to keep detection accurate. During the implementation phase, we communicated extensively with our service provider, the FTI, and as a first step, we had to take numerous sample images of the inspected parts and label them as either good or bad. We use these annotated images to train the AI-based classification model. However, the FTI pointed out that the data volume was insufficient for fine-tuning the model and suggested balancing the good and bad disk samples. Additional data was acquired and negotiations were revised to improve the training process, but the service provider still found inconsistencies and how good and bad labels were applied. After these inconsistencies were discussed and corrected with the dataset provided, the FKI team managed to train a model achieving around 90% accuracy on test samples. The FKI shared Docker scripts and guidance for setting up a Docker environment using WSL2 on Windows, enabling us to replicate the model setup and testing. But the initial setup attempts encountered technical issues. DFKI then provided troubleshooting advice, and our team cooperated with them closely to resolve these technical challenges and finalize the model deployment.
Could you tell us more about how the AIRISE team helped you address these challenges and what strategies or tools were the most effective in overcoming them?
So the AIRISE team provided invaluable support in developing and training the AI model, customizing it to handle our specific quality control requirements. The guidance and regular check-ins were crucial, and the flexibility in adjusting the model to other trust pattern variances played a vital role in overcoming technical challenges.
Which specific services or tools provided by AIRISE were most useful to your company, and how did this contribute to the success of the AI initiative?
The imaging AI application combined with the training and technical support from AIRISE was instrumental. The image recognition tool allowed us to automate defect identification, while the structured deployment plan provided by AIRISE have been integrating AI into our production workflow. They support in calibrating the system and conducting post-deployment analysis contributed directly to meeting our goals for increased efficiency and accuracy in quality control.
Looking forward, what are your future expectations regarding the continued use of AI in your company, and how do you see AIRISE contributing to your long-term goals?
Looking forward, we plan to use AI not only for defect detection, but also for predictive maintenance and reporting with our BI system for trend analysis. We also hope to improve inspection to find other defects like structural damage. Continued support from AIRISE in updating our AI models will be key as we work towards more efficiency and sustainability in our production. We are also aware that within the framework of the AIRISE project, it is possible to apply for the pilot role and participate in a larger scale project. And based on our experience, we are considering to take this next step in our development and the integration of AI into our processes.
We are also curious about your personal reflection or experiences regarding the experiment. Has your perspective on AI changed since partnering with AIRISE, and what advice would you give to other businesses considering AI consulting services?
Yes, our perspective on AI has evolved significantly since working with AIRISE. Initially, we we viewed AI primarily as a tool for automating repetitive tasks and reducing labor costs. However, the collaboration with AIRISE has shown us that AI goes beyond automation, and it brings an entirely new level of precision and reliability, and also the scalability to quality control. AI has opened up a pathway to make our processes more sustainable, efficient, and adaptable to future requirements in ways we hadn't fully anticipated. For other business considering AI consulting services, I would advise starting with a clear understanding of specific pain points you want to address. Choose an AI partner with industry experience who can not only provide technical expertise, but also guide you through change management and integration with existing systems. Working with a knowledgeable partner like AIRISE can make a huge difference in overcoming initial challenges and maximizing the long-term benefits of AI.
Okay, and this will be our last question of the interview. If you could describe your AI journey with AIRISE in one word or phrase, what would it be and why?
Efficiency, reliability, well-controlled and well-documented processes. This phrase perfectly captures our experience with AIRISE. AI has transformed our quality control operations into a highly efficient and reliable process where each step is documented and traceable. With AIRISE support, we have developed a robust system that not only streamlines our operations, but also maintains high standards in both process control and the environmental responsibility. This journey has set a new standard for how we envision quality assurance in the future, where every element is optimized, transparent, and measurable. So for the final word, on behalf of Simon Trans, I would like to thank the AIRISE project for the opportunity to participate in the experiment. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for your answers, and we wish good luck in your next steps integrating AI into your company's processes.
Thank you for joining us in exploring the innovative experiments of the AIRISE project. To stay updated and learn more about our journey, subscribe to our social media channels and visit our website at airise.eu. Together, let's shape the future of AI in manufacturing. This project is funded by the European Union